This car is sitting extremely low right now. What a crazy looking thing. There's an STO, Trofeo and Piogia mode. Wow. Wow. Hello guys, I am back. Today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of me we have the 2022 model Lamborghini Huracan STO. And in today's video I will be giving you a full walk around, including the exterior, and afterwards we will be checking out the full interior and finish it off with a sound check and a resume. So let's talk about this Huracan STO in specific. First of all, there have been multiple versions of the Huracan, talking about the Huracan Performante, the Huracan Evo, the rear-wheel drive Huracan. Now Lamborghini has decided to create a more track-focused version of the Huracan. The STO, we are talking about 639 horsepower, and they have improved the entire body. Is a fully aero improvement on this vehicle. But let's just jump inside and start with the walk around. First of all, I really love the exterior paint on this. We have a nice blue color shade, and in contrast with that we have the yellow tone, which completes the entire look of this Huracan STO. Looking at the front, we have the brutal Huracan specific headlights and the front, which we already know, but yet again we have this entire bonnet part which you can pull out and have a look down under. It's not like in the other STOs. We have the air outtakes right over here, as you see, in addition with the carbon fiber works, and the intakes here in the front. You see that with the radiators. We have the full carbon fiber front splitter and then the additional yellow part here. I just love the way it's like a simple and straight part moving across this carbon fiber and front part. It just adds this car very aggressive characteristic. You see that in addition with the headlights, the face of this is just completely sporty. Looking at the side, I mean, this car is sitting extremely low right now, and the color of this is just absolutely beautiful. Let's just talk about the Huracan STO specific wheels we have here. These are the 20 inches multi-spoke Lamborghini wheels. In addition to that, we have the carbon ceramic brakes, also finished in yellow. Here we also have the carbon fiber works, making this car look extremely wide on the side. The STO livery here as well, as you see, and yet again the side looking extremely wide. We have the bold shoulders on this car. These parts, you see that are aero improved. We have some intakes again, and the rear wheels we have yet again 20 inches here, the multi-spoke Lamborghini STO specific ones. Yet again Brembo ceramic brakes. I love them. Yellow finish here to complete the look. But now it's time to look at the rear, guys. Just to look at this. What a crazy looking thing. Wow. I mean, if you compare this with the look of the base Huracan, there's not even anything that's the same. The car is way wider, and all the parts have been aerodynamically improved, especially here on the sides. You see how wide and crazy the shoulders of this car look. In addition with that rear wing we have, it just completes the entire look. This is made for extreme racing, and it feels pretty nice. Normally you would have a direct view on the engine from here, but it's all covered up. You just have a bit of a view, as you can see here, but this also full finished in this blue color tone. We also have this monocoque here, also finished in two-tone. We have the yellow and the blue. Really nice looking, crazy thing, guys. How do you like the entire exterior of this? Something I really love about the STO and also loved about the Performante was the exhaust tips, that we have two ones and that they are placed like in the middle here. And we also have the STO details, full carbon fiber finish, diffusor. All in all, really lovely. How do you guys like it? Something I hate on this, I really hate, is the key. Looking at the key, you might think this is the key of an old Audi, but it's the key of this Huracan STO. Unlocking this car, as soon as you unlock it, you just have the door handles moving out, and then you just step inside. So yet again, please keep in mind, this is the extreme racing edition of the Huracan. So also in the inside you can see that we have a lot of carbon fiber works here. The entire part here is finished in carbon fiber. We don't even have a door handle. You just pull this latch and it opens up the door. We just have the lock and unlock button here, and also just a few, like these two simple buttons. That's it. Huracan entrance board. We have the floor mats. We have the Holman International ones, but under that we have the base ones. It's not like Porsche and luxury looking thing. This is really made for extreme racing. Let's just jump inside, guys. And there's not a lot of space for me, but I will be jumping in here. Okay, I made it. Let me just close the door. Just pull this. The door is extremely light when you compare it with the base one, as it's finished in carbon fiber. And the inside, it's extremely dark, as you don't get a lot of light inside. And something I really have to mention is that this thing is a track tool. This is not a daily driver, obviously not. I mean, the inside, we have it full finished in carbon fiber, and in addition with the full Alcantara, it just finishes off the racing look. And with all Huracan STOs, we have this cover here, as you see, with the Huracan badge to cover up your STO if you want. Looking at the seats, these are full carbon fiber finished seats. And yeah, to complete the look of this, we have some Alcantara yet again, and the nice orange details Lamborghini on the headrest. Looking at the rear mirror, you don't have anything to see, guys, except for the engine bay, and that's it. I mean, it's very difficult to see something, but for that we have the side mirrors. All in all, guys, we have this display, the start stop button. It's extremely simple in the inside, obviously, as this is really made for extreme racing. But yeah, guys, let me just start the ignition. Something I love is the feel of this here. Starting up the ignition, the Huracan STO coming alive. As soon as you press it again, shuts it off. So starting the ignition again. Here we have the entire infotainment system is full touch, this one. And now, guys, let's start with a sound check, okay? Unfortunately, if you want to lower the windows, you have to do it from here. There we go. Okay, guys, are you ready? There's an STO, Trofeo, and Peogia mode. I'm not sure which one is the best. I think STO Super Trofeo Omologata. Okay, please excuse me if I spelled it wrong, but I'm German, I'm sorry. Pushing the brakes right now. Now it's time to start up. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow. Wow. So the Trofeo mode is definitely loud, is a sport mode I think, and the Peogia mode is the wet mode when it's raining. But guys, listen to this, let's rev it, okay? 3, 2, 1, listen. Wow! Wow! Crazy sound, guys. How do you like this Huracan STO sound? Please leave it in the comment section below. I wonder how it must feel when driving it. Really love it. Wow. Let's step outside and listen from the outside, okay? So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this Huracan STO? Would you rather go for a Huracan Performante, Huracan Evo, or this STO? Please leave it in the comment section below. At this point, also special thanks to Holman International for letting us film this car today for you. If you're interested in getting one, they have them on stock. Just check out their website in the description. They have all the information there. Just hit them up if you're interested. Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.